Hi guys. Today we are going to see how to connect Stripe to Shopify. Before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. So now let's see how to add Stripe to Shopify. Make sure to log into your Stripe account before connecting with Shopify. Now go to the Shopify store. Click on Setting. Now click on Payment. Now click on Choose a Provider. Here you search a Stripe. Now Stripe option showing below. Click on it. Here you find your store select. Now just click on Connect. Here you'll locate your store selection. Now simply click Connect. Now go back to the store and check Stripe is successfully connected. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.